and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the newsprint and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. At least 118 people have died in an overnight earthquake in China on Tuesday. The quake, measuring 6.2 in magnitude as reported by the China Earthquake Networks, injured over 500 people in the Gansu and Qinghai provinces. Rescue efforts are currently underway to locate survivors. The earthquake caused significant damage to houses and infrastructure, including roads, while disrupting power and communication lines. Israeli missiles and airstrikes targeted 3 houses in southern Gaza's Rafah, resulting in at least 20 Palestinian casualties, according to Gaza health officials. Thousands of displaced Palestinians sought refuge at the Rafah border crossing to escape Israeli assaults in the north. Fierce gun battles were reported in Khan Yunis, and global pressure, including from the US, has been mounting on Israel for a Gaza ceasefire. A Trinamool MP's mimicry of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar during a parliamentary protest sparks controversy, drawing condemnation from the Vice President himself. The impromptu skit, captured on video by Rahul Gandhi, is labelled shameful and unacceptable, leading to a heated debate in Parliament. The incident unfolds amidst a larger context of opposition MPs demanding a statement on a recent security breach. On Tuesday, the Bombay High Court granted bail to activist Gautam Navlakha, who was arrested in 2018 in the Elgar Parishad Maoist links case. He had been placed under house arrest in November 2022 following a Supreme Court decision. He is currently residing in Navi Mumbai. The National Investigation Agency requested the court to suspend the order for 6 weeks to allow time for filing an appeal in the Supreme Court. The bench granted a 3-week stay on the order. Navlakha was granted bail on a 1 lakh rupees surety and is the 7th accused in the case to get bail. On Tuesday, 49 MPs of the Lok Sabha were suspended from the House due to disruptions in proceedings, following the suspension of 78 opposition MPs from Parliament on Monday. Among the suspended MPs are Farooq Abdullah from the National Conference and Congress leaders Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari and Karti Chidambaram, along with Samajwadi Party MP Dimple Yadav. Prahlad Joshi, the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, said that the protesting members were frustrated with the recent assembly election results while proposing the motion for suspension. The total count of suspended MPs in this parliament session has now reached 141. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi to discuss pressing issues including drought relief and irrigation projects, citing a loss of 35,000 crores rupees in the state due to drought and crop losses. Siddaramaiah urged Prime Minister Modi to convene a high-level committee meeting, and the Prime Minister pledged to instruct Union Minister Amit Shah accordingly. The Chief Minister also sought approval for the Kaveri Management Authority for the Mikitatu project, emphasizing its benefits for both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. In an unprecedented move, Bengaluru's traffic police have imposed a hefty fine of 3.24 lakh rupees on a scooter rider identified as Mala, who committed 643 traffic violations, including disregarding helmet regulations and jumping red signals. Despite the scooter's modest value, the repeated offences have resulted in this staggering fine, prompting increased awareness among other riders about the importance of following traffic rules. The offender, undeterred by fines, was penalized 4 times in a single day for not wearing a helmet. The government on Tuesday said that the contribution of agriculture to India's GDP dropped from 35% in 1990 to 91 to 15% in the last fiscal year. This decline is attributed not to a reduction in agricultural gross value added, but to the rapid expansion of the industrial and service sectors, according to Union Agriculture Minister Arjun Munda's written response to Lok Sabha. Munda noted that, in terms of growth, the agriculture and allied sector has experienced an average annual growth rate of 4% over the past 5 years. Additionally, he mentioned that as of November 30, 2023, more than 2.81 lakh crore rupees has been disbursed to over 11 crore farmers. During the IPL auction in Dubai, Australian Michelle Stark became the most expensive player in the history of IPL auction. Gujarat Titans and Kolkata Knight Riders were involved in a bid war when finally KKR bought Stark at a bid of 24.75 crore rupees. Stark, the left-arm pacer, last played in IPL in 2015. Earlier, Sunrisers Hyderabad secured Pat Cummins for 20.50 crore. This is the first time player bidding crossed the 20 crore mark in the IPL. Actor Pankaj Tripathi is set to portray former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the upcoming biopic Main Atal Hoon. Directed by Ravi Jadhav and produced by Bhanushali Studios Limited and Legend Studios, the film delves into Vajpayee's journey and is scheduled for release on January 24th. Tripathi expressed honor in playing the role and underwent rigorous preparations to embody the great leader, while director Ravi Jadhav commended Pankaj's dedication to understanding Vajpayee's persona. Well, these were the headlines for today. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.